Hey! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Privacy section over here. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage. In my case, Location. Now you need to click on one of your apps like Chrome and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so now I need to click on it and go back. As you can see, after that, Chrome just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go with microphone to manage my recorder. Then choose See All Recorder Permissions instead at the bottom and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!